Hey everybody, Iceman50 here. So we got the stainless steel plates in. I'm going to show you the, you can see it here. I'm going to show you the package that it came in, and we'll check out everything from Sencut Send. Hang on a second. Alright everybody, so we got our package from Sencut Send here. So it came FedEx. That's what I love. Made in the USA. And it's a rush. So this just came in a regular envelope, right? And so I didn't pull this out, I just opened it up. So you can see they send you thank you for your purchase, right? And it just, you know, they tell you all the stuff you can do, right? Offer tapping. And then this is how you know this is a good company. This reminds me of myself, you know, it's like they send you extra stuff, just great stuff. You open it up, look at this. Some, you know, like a hologram, you know, sticker. That's awesome. I'll be sticking that on my helmet. Piece of candy. Who doesn't like candy? And then, so they tell you about the available materials and stuff you can do, why our customers like us, you know, and I agree. They were super awesome the entire time. I can't really say enough about Sencut Send. You know, I saw them on StanceWorks channel, and Superfast Matt, he uses them also. So that's pretty cool. They also give you a, you know, an invoice here, you know, where they show you what your part is and they tell you how much it costs and everything. So that's pretty cool. And then you get, you know, the rest of it, what you get here is you get a piece of cardboard. Look at this. How cool is this? It's in a vacuum. This is one of these, you know, vacuum cardboard pieces. You know, you got all the little holes here in the cardboard, and it sucks this plastic down on everything, right? So, what we're going to do is we're going to open this up. Like I said, I waited for you guys. I got it yesterday. So, I didn't want to open it until now. But we'll go ahead and we'll peel these out of there. Now, because it's stainless and everything, like deburring was free, and I mean, these look amazing. Look at this. This looks pretty cool. Look at the logo, my logo and everything. The finish is amazing. It's not, you know, it's not really sharp or anything. There's a few, I mean, it's good. Like, so, here's our piece. This would be the backing plate, and then we have the stainless steel plate, and this has definitely got some heft to it. You can see this. So I decided to go with 042 thick stainless steel, which is 1.2 millimeter thick, and this is going to act as a giant washer, right? When we put these bolts in here, this isn't going to flex. You know, if you guys decide that you want the two plastic plates, you know, I might have to supply you guys with some washers, some nice stainless steel washers to go here. But the cool part about this is that, you know, look at that. You just drop that on there, right? Look, you can see, you can't see any green through the holes because these pieces match exactly, but look how cool that is. So this is what it would look like, is you've got my logo in a color of your choosing behind there. I'm thinking we'll do two colors. So if you order the kit, which comes with the stainless steel piece, and it'll come with two plastic background pieces, right? And then I'm also going to provide some 18/8 stainless screws, button head, button cap. You see these? These are great. Nice. And so let's see what this looks like. So I'll put these here, right? That's how that'll look. It's pretty cool. Let me get my we have our latch, and of course we got my Mantis kit from iFixit. It was $70, but this is the kit to get, right? The kit to get. So we'll set that down here. and then we'll find the right excuse me, we'll find the right driver here. It's up over here somewhere. That's it. That's the one. So pull that out of there, and we got our little. The bearings in this are amazing. It's super smooth. You never felt anything like this. Oh, so it takes the bigger one. So they got smaller bits and larger bits. So that's good. This it'll go into the bigger one here. See, it's magnetic. All right. So let's take a look at our. Now you can see I already put some bolts in there. I didn't want to lose them. I was taking a look at how they looked. So remember, in the motorcycle, it kind of sits like this, right? So like I said, this is the piece that springs open. You know, this is the piece where the cable locks in. So it sits like this. So we're going to put it behind here, right? And we're going to line everything up. Okay. And we're going to drop that on there. Okay. That side's screwed in. We'll get another screw here. And we'll just line up our spots here. Okay. We'll take our piece and we'll tighten it up. Okay. Like this. All right. So that's how it's going to look. You're going to have, you know, this is all covered by inside, but basically this is where the pin of the seat's going to drop in, right? So you got this, you know, all this nice surface area, but look at that. It's like, that's pretty cool. You know, I gave myself a little bit of you know, slop in the holes here, so we can kind of just get everything, you know, aligned right. Not too much. Like I said, next version, I think I might make these holes 8mm instead of 7.5 to give ourselves a little adjustability. But you can see it moves. You know, I kept it close, but it's right in the area, right? So you just, you know, get this thing centered up, get everything up, you know, and we tighten it up, right? And that's it. That's how it would look. Is you got this nice stainless steel plate with the color behind it. Like I said, so with the kit, you're gonna get the stainless steel plate, the plastic backer, and the 2 stainless steel button head screws. Like I said, so with this is you'll get 2. I'm gonna allow for 2 colors. So if you order this, you just tell me what 2 colors you want, and you can put it behind there. So this looks really nice. I'm really pleased with how this turned out. Send Cut Send is amazing. I definitely use it again. You know, I told you guys before, I got a grill, and I got from my buddy. It's a nice Weber electric grill, and I want to put it on my other electric grill, which totally blew up and was not a nice grill. I want to use the base, so I'm thinking I might just design myself a piece of stainless as an interface plate. So I definitely feel confident that, I mean, look at the quality of the laser cutting. Look at how good the gear turned out. You know, everything's perfect. The finish is good. That's perfectly deburred. I mean, this part's ready to go as is, right? So the next step for us is that, you know, I think today's Friday. Tomorrow we'll go over to the storage space, and we'll put it on the bike, and we'll see how it looks. And if I'm happy with it, then we'll start sending these out to you guys. Like I said, I think if you follow me on Instagram, it's gonna be $25 plus like $8.65 shipping, and then I'll put them up on eBay, and they're gonna be $30 on eBay. I'm giving you guys that watch me, follow me, a discount on Instagram. I'm giving you the homie hookup. So, but for everybody else, they gotta pay full price. But you know, this is a lot of, you know, it's not too thick. You know, I had 2 millimeters with the other 2 plates, and this would be basically 2.2 millimeters. But there's definitely plenty of room, so we'll take a look at it when we put it on the bike tomorrow. All right, we'll see you over at the storage space. Hey everybody, Iceman 50 here. So we're back at the storage space. This time during the day, and let's put this thing together and see how it looks. All right, let's see here. Okay. Whoa, snow's a little deep. Whew. All right. Okay. Whoa. Ground slippery. All right, so we'll just start kind of where we left off. This time I'm going to hook up the cable here. All right, so the little barrel goes in, and then you flip the cable around, and it just kind of should just push right in there. There we go. Snaps right in, okay? And then, so you guys won't have to do this, you know, you just leave it where it's at, take out the 2 bolts, and then you just put the plates on and put it back down. Why not? I did that last time. It's the big one. Okay. So, get this out of here. Better not lose these screws because I only got 2. All right. Okay. Yeah. So just kind of. I don't know if I got my motorcycle key with me or not. Let's before we do anything, let's see if I have my key on me. I feel like it could be in this pocket. Could be in here. What's this? Oh, that's a car key. Oh, hey, we got the keys. All right, so let's just, okay, the pin's moving, so we're all good. I can't screw myself this time. I really can't feel my fingers. The metal's cold. All right, we got it. We got it. Let's get the other one on here. Move that into position. Okay. Just get everything, the 2 plates centered up. All right, so you can see that looks pretty cool. That's dope. Let's find the seat here. And let's check the fit. We gotta. It might have to come back a little bit, the whole assembly. This is going to be the thing, it's just, you know, since there is a little slop in the holes, you just got to find what works for your bike. Yeah, so I'm probably going to open these holes up a little bit more. We got plenty of meat left there. Let's see. Ah, fuck my life. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna open those holes up a little bit so I can move it a little bit more. I may just have to do that with my shit. I got a little unibit we can get in these two holes. That was kind of the whole point to coming out here, was so that we could see what works. Alright, so to get it to fit a little bit better, we'll just open up the holes a little bit. That was kind of my whole point between the version 1 and this one. I wasn't too sure, but it's pretty good. So yeah, I've got 8 more, so I'll just open up the holes on those just a tiny bit, and then I'll have a version 1, so I'll have 8 of the prototypes that you guys can get. It looks pretty good. It's a little crooked, but so if I open those holes up, we'll be able to turn it just a little bit. That's probably part of it. This whole thing needs to come down just a little bit. So, but it's amazing. Take a couple of seconds with a step bit. We'll open this one up a little bit. This one, we can even open this one up just a tiny bit if we want to. So I'm gonna call that a win. I'll take this off and take it back home with me, and we'll make some slight modifications, and we'll come back. Perfect. Alright, let's get these screws back in here. I got plenty more screws at home. I don't really need the well, I'm wondering, well, it's so easy to just take with me. Let's just see, it just pops out like that, and you just like push this down. What did I do last time? I think maybe I used my knife here. Get underneath it and just kind of pop it. I forget what I did. I think I just wiggled it out of there. Yeah, and then to where the split is, right? When you turn this upside down, you see the split is right there, and you can pull it right out. So, all right, let's fix that up, and then we'll come back another time. We won't. I'll just let you guys know that I opened up the holes, but at this point, choking on my own spit, we'll let you guys know, and you can order them up if you'd like. So, all right, everybody, thanks for coming with me, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, easy.